Hello world. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to gather domain information. Before that, subscribe to this channel and press bell icon so you don't miss next video on ethical hacking and web application penetration. Let's start. We are going to gather information from WHOIS. For that we are going to use domain facebook.com. Type facebook.com and see information. It will give information about registrar info, name servers, when the domain get expires, registered, and updated. Over registrar data, you can see registrant administrative and technical contact information. It has all the information about person who register this website. Let's try google.com. As you can see, you cannot see registrar data because Google has been blocked that data from WHOIS. You can also block WHOIS information of your domain by WHOIS privacy. Thanks for watching this video. Hit like and subscribe to my channel for more ethical hacking and web application penetration testing video.